Fellow South Africans, change is good. We change our socks, we change our underwear. Well, my ex-boyfriend didn't. And we also change our partners. So it is time that we change the leader of this country and we go for the no-nonsense party. This country needs a party that cares for change. Yes, we promise to give you some of the change we will make after we have spent all the money we will make after we win. We promise you change. And if you do not vote for us, you will never see that change. We are the only party that does not lie to you, and we promise to make things different. We will start from corruption. We will not accept corruption that is not transparent, because corruption must be transparent and it must be taxable so that we can all benefit from it, because these people who are corrupt make more money than the innocent citizens of this country. So why tax the honest citizens? That is why we are still a third world country. You must find things that make money and are profitable in your country. So those brown envelopes, we now are going to tax them. We have seen a lot of things that all these other parties are doing wrong. For example, we are tired of parties that are giving people t-shirts with faces of themselves on the front of the t-shirts. We have had a lot of problems with people who can't even sleep a good night's sleep. They are having nightmares because they are sleeping with these political party t-shirts. They are dreaming of people chasing them and asking them for free houses. And we will not do that. We are the only political party in this country that promises to give you pajamas to sleep with. Yes, some of them will be shoplifted, but there will be pajamas nonetheless. Education is our main priority for the people of this country. And we know where people get their education from. Facebook. So as a party, we promise to give you 10 free followers for your Facebook account. And we know the reality of this country is that umjolo uyanyisa. And you, I know, uyakunyisa. But worry no more, because the no-nonsense party will be giving you things that will keep you warm this winter, like electric blankets for free. Ukuthi ichacha is not our problem, because we did not come with load shedding. We will be coming with our own brand new problems. But the problems that we find already existing, we will not be solving. As the no-nonsense party, we realize that tenderpreneurs are a very important part of our economy. But we will do it different this time, because we will still give them to our friends like all the other previous political parties. But what we will do different as the no-nonsense party is that everybody who benefits from our tenders will be forced to have a wife and a girlfriend from the previously disadvantaged communities, so that everybody gets to benefit. And if it is a woman or somebody who prefers, they will also be forced to have a husband and a benten, so that people will benefit. And we do not just want to benefit our friends. We want to make it accessible for the wider community. We believe in a free and fair country, and we believe it is time for change. Upon us being in power, within the first 10 days, we will make things change. On our 10th day, we will make sure that all the white people, they go to live in the townships from 𝙏𝙗𝙬 to KwaMashu, and all the black people, they go to live in 𝙏𝙗𝙬 or Durban North or even Sandton. So vote for us. Any journalist with questions?
Yes, Miss Tenji, or is it Miss or is it Mrs. Tenji?
It depends where I am and on who is asking. Because when my boyfriend asks, I am Miss. But when my husband is asking, I am Mrs., of course. And when my late husband's family is asking, I am Miss as in MS, with no marital status disclosure. And on social media, I am Doctor. So who are you and why are you asking?
I am an independent journalist, Mrs. Tenjiwe.
Ah, for you, it's Professor Tenjiwe.
Oh, okay. Pardon me, Professor Tenjiwe. So, Professor Tenjiwe, you talked about food puzzles. What is your favorite dish?
Hey, you know, I've always been a reliable person. I do not change things just based on fashion. I see people changing every day based on what is trending. For me, my favorite dish has always been Tupperware. From the day I was young, it was my mother's favorite dish. It was my grandmother's favorite dish. It is my favorite dish. I see these youngsters now obsessed with Le Creuset and posting it everywhere. For me, it has always been Tupperware. I can change other things like men and political parties, but my favorite dish, it will always be Tupperware.
Oh, that is very consistent, Professor. So what message do you have for breadwinners?
I think we need more breadwinners in South Africa. I myself, I have never been a breadwinner, but I keep hearing a lot of people saying they are breadwinners, and I am very proud of them, and they should continue entering competitions so that they can continue winning bread. Because as at the No-Nonsense Party, we will not be giving away any free bread. You either buy it or you win it for yourself.
So, Professor Tenjiwe, so what do you think we should do?
Wait. Barack Obama. Nikuphi kanti nina kuzoze kuvalwe phela kashisa nyama kunini sinindile. Asambe. Hawu. Nihambe niyowasha imoto emsabuyi.